In this video, I'm about to show you how to link the Microsoft Authenticator app to Teams. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of the app to add a new account. After that, tap on Continue to proceed. Now, select Personal Account from the options. Then, tap on Sign in with Microsoft. Enter your email address associated with Microsoft Teams and tap Next. After this, enter your password and tap Sign in. You might receive a verification code in your email. Tap on your email account to check for the code. Enter the verification code sent to your email and tap Verify. Next, tap on Allow to grant the necessary permission. If prompted, open your device's settings and make sure the toggle is turned on for the Microsoft Authenticator app to enable permission. Go back to the app and tap Go to Authenticator. Now, tap the plus icon again in the top right corner to add Teams. This time, choose either Google, Facebook, etc. as the account type. Use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided by Microsoft Teams, or manually enter the account name and secret key if a QR code is not available. Once you've completed this step, your Microsoft Authenticator app will be linked to Teams, and you'll be able to generate authentication codes for secure access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.